guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Today's vlog is going to be all about this concept right here, the Erasmostar concert. Sorry, medyo mali, medyo cloudy na yung utak ko. Dami kong iniisip. Pero this concert is going to be one hectic and exciting concert. Why do I say that? Because it's all about fresh talents and also those that have so much talent that needs to be exposed here in our current industry. Some of the artists that I will be featuring in this vlog actually have won competitions like Tawag ng Tanghalan, and they have like titles. So, ilalagay ko na lang lahat sa video. Okay, huwag kayong mag-alala guys. Well-informed tayo dito. And if you guys are new to this channel, hi! My name is Alice. I make videos such as lifestyle, beauty, food review, mukbangs, whatever. So, if you guys are into that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so y'all be informed of new videos that your girl uploads. Okay, so bababa na ako dito. And I'll talk to you guys in a while. Okay? Bye! Thank you so much for watching this video, and today we have a very special guest. So please introduce yourself to everyone.
Hi, good evening. My name is Marvin Velasquez, and ako po yung isa sa mga nag-organize itong event na to dito sa RJ Bistro, Dusit Tani Hotel, Makati.
Okay, sir. So tell me about the event. What is the event all about, and ano po yung pinaka gusto niyo po na yung mga manood, ano gusto niyo makuha ng mga manonood?
First and foremost, of course, the satisfaction guarantee. But since we hired a live band, so hopefully, hindi man maging 100% perfect, I hope na it went well tonight. And of course, the title of the concert is Erasmostar's in Concert, London Dreams. You know, since nanggaling kasi ako several times sa London for a series of concert, gusto kong i-give back. Pag uwi ko ng Philippines, gusto kong makatulong sa kapwa nating Filipino artists to uplift their talents in singing, and as well, not just in singing but also in different kind of career path.
You've mentioned London, sir. So, is there a possibility that your event tonight will also be touring in London?
As a matter of fact, on December 5 and 7, we have actually a Christmas concert in London. So, 5 of them, 5 sa mga talent ko ngayon will be going there with me to have a concert. And
isang venue lang po ba, or is there like a...
Sa London, that would be at FM Bar, sa Shepherd's Bush, Hammersmith, London, and also sa St. Benilde, sa Tooting, London.
Tooting, London. Yeah. So lahat ng ating OFW dyan, make sure, check the description box, nilalagay ko lahat ng info doon. And about the artists, sir, how many artists ang naka-line up natin for tonight's performance?
Tonight, I think we are 11 to 12.
11 to 12. And yeah. I noticed kanina during rehearsals, merong mga younger kids, like minors. Yeah. And are they like also training to be total performers?
As a matter of fact, nag-enroll talaga sila sa mga training center. They have respective coaches, vocal coaches, and personality development, and all that, for them to be ready sa mga ganitong mga event. And it's a big help kasi their parents actually are very cooperative enough to enroll yung mga anak nila, and then pagka i-present nila sa akin, okay na yung mga talent, so accept na lang ako.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah. And also, if ever, since you are part of a talent management agency, how are they able to contact you if they want to be managed by your company?
Just visit our website, alright, and Erasmostar Talents and Entertainment Management, and also you can also personally message me sa aking website www.marvinvelasquez.music.net or on my Facebook page, Marvin Velasquez.
Okay. So that's basically it, guys, for our short interview with Sir Marvin. And sa susunod na clip, for sure makikita niyo yung performance ni Sir.
Thank you so much.
So, see you guys!
John Sandoval, Jack Mascareñas, Miss J. Josa, Marvin Velasquez will be going to London December 5 and December 7 for a Christmas concert. Ito po yung kasi, yun nga sabi ko kanina, naumpisahan ni Sir Jun eh. Sabi niya, Marvin, gusto mo pumunta ng London? Parang pang nag-aya lang siya ng gusto mo pumunta ng palengke.
So, kamusta naman po yung performance niya kanina, Miss Jane?
Alam mo naman, bilang broadcaster, medyo may kaba. Dahil iba yung radyo sa performance sa stage. So, medyo may kaba. Anyways, parang okay naman siya. Satisfied naman ako sa performance. At natuwa naman sila.
And what will people expect dun sa London concert ninyo?
Kasi ako, medyo parang hindi pa masyadong naniniwala na kasi bucket list ko yan. Tapos biglang in-offer sa akin si London. So, I am so very happy. And mag-expect sila ng sobrang magandang performance doon dahil marami pa kaming oras para mag-practice, mag-ready. So, antabayanan po nila yan.
Okay, so last question, tatlo lang. Please, how will you invite everyone to your show and also to your upcoming shows in London?
Ayun. Ang ating show, everyday po yan, Monday to Friday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. is DJ Josa Love Diaries. Yan po ay sa DCME 1530. Yan, nasa radyo, nasa Facebook Live, tsaka sa YouTube